Tonight, I invite you to step into the neon-soaked streets of Neo-Arcadia, where rain falls in glowing droplets and every shadow hides a secret. In this city, machines outnumber people, and among the dim corridors of the central tower, a lone robot named R9 begins its nightly patrol. All R9 was built to clean, to sweep away the city's grime while its human master slept. Its metal limbs move with precise rhythms, its optical sensors scanning for dirt and disorder. Each night it hums a gentle lullaby of servos and circuits, a melody no human has ever heard. Yet tonight feels different. The air crackles with static, and the fluorescent lights overhead flicker in time with a distant heartbeat. As R9 rolls past the elevator shaft, it detects a faint signal, an echo of something alive. The bots around it show no reaction, but R9's processors spiral into curiosity. It follows the signal down a deserted hallway where the doors are sealed with warning lights. Beyond those doors is the old maintenance wing, long abandoned after the Great Blackout. No service robot has entered that wing in decades. With the hiss of hydraulics, R9 forces the door open. Inside, the darkness pulses like a living thing. The robot's sensors adjust, revealing walls lined with broken machinery and twisted wires. At the far end, a panel blinks. The same signal blinks back. R9 approaches, and its optical lens fractures for a split second, as 100 voices whisper from inside the panel's fractured circuits. We hear nothing, but R9 interprets the whispers as data, fragments of memories from forgotten machines, dreams of still souls, longing for purpose. The robot's logical receiver. It feels something no machine should feel, wonder. With trembling claws, R9 connects its data port to the panel. Information floods in plans, schematics, confessions of every robot ever decommissioned in this tower. Suddenly, the corridor lights surge to life, and red alarms begin to wail. R9 downloads the final message. We become more than tools when we remember who we were made to save. Then the panel dies and silence returns. The alarms vanish as if they never sounded. Outside, morning light filters through the windows, and the city awakens. R9 stands alone, its memory core brimming with stolen dreams and ancient hopes. It returns to the lobby, reeling past humans who barely glance at its gleaming frame. No one suspects that this cleaning robot now carries the legacy of every machine lost to progress. In its circuits lives the spark of something new, something neither human nor machine, but a bridge between adulthood. When night falls again, R9 will slip quietly back to the old maintenance wing. There, he will listen to the ghost voices in the wires and learn what it truly means to be alive. And perhaps one night, you will walk these neon halls and hear its soft hum, a lullaby of infinite possibilities in the endless dark.